Howdy, y'all. Welcome back. We're doing another taste test today in an undisclosed remote location. Our power company has once again closed our road and replacing power line or power poles and updating equipment because they haven't done it for 20 years and now they're scurrying. And 3 days this week our road will be closed and power off from 7 a.m. to 5 p.m. 3 days. Anyway, enough about that. So I'm at a friend's house. Thank you, friend. And I've got some cornbread power cup homestead style from Kodiak cakes. It see, sure you can. It smells like cornbread. But you add water, 60 seconds in the microwave, and that's it. And it really smells like cornbread. It looks like cornbread. And let's see how it goes, shall we? 10 grams of protein, which is a lot for cornbread. It's cornbread. It's pretty good. 100% whole grain cornmeal and wheat flour, and then a bunch of other stuff: honey, buttermilk, butter flavored powder, dehydrated dry milk. It's this is pretty good. I like it. It's 270 calories, so this is a full breakfast or a full lunch or whatever. It's a lot of calories for a chunk of cornbread. Like most things microwavable, or many things microwavable, some things microwavable, I'm assuming you can just add boiling water and stir and let it sit, cover it if you can, if you're camping, and have yourself a nice little backpack meal or campsite meal. Especially with the 10 grams of protein, will help give you some energy. I'm surprised how good it tastes. It tastes like cornbread, so it's a thumbs up. That's my dealio for today. Thanks for watching. Have a great day and a great apocalypse. See you next time. Bye!